All right, good morning everybody. Today is time to join me out on a day on the farm, and today's harvest. It's the 7th of August. Dad's driven up the combine harvester, and I'm jumping into the tractor to drive the side wagon. So I'll take you through the day. First of all, here's the tractor, and this is what we're gonna start.
I drove my tractor through your haystack last night.
Did you guys know that while I'm walking in here, it's called barley, this beautiful little thing, and that's what you make malt out of, which then you make beer out of. So it's a very important part of the harvest, I would say.
Come on now, darling, you got something I need. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you've got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. She made I laugh.
I'm important because Dad can keep on going. He doesn't have to drive down to the farm to drop it off and then come back up. I'm gonna do all that, but then again, it's a lot of waiting where I'm listening to podcasts, fooling around. Sitter här i tröskan med pappa och idag så tröskar vi korn. Hur har skörden varit än så länge i år?
Jag är nöjd än så länge. Det har varit bra.
Idag så mäter vattenhalten 18%. Man vill gärna ha ner den på 15-14, ja, helst lägre än så. Men vi kör på, det är fint väder och så att when the harvest time is so important for farmers, because that's when all the money comes in. If we take last year, for instance, when the summer was just so dry, it hit all the farmers really bad. They got pretty much half the money that they usually get. And just imagine like working all year and then just someone tells you, oh, you get half pay this year. It's really tough, and that's why it's important to support the farmers, the local farmers, which also helps us with the climate. So now my two wagons here, they are filled, topped up with barley. So I'm driving back to the farm to drop it off.